Hey, welcome to our YouTube channel. First video, I will show you how beautiful our village is. And today, once again, I want to show you the most important place in our village. Let's start the video. This is our gate to control the water supply on the paddy field. And we have called this place is park because every day we come here. When I come to this place, I'm happy and filled with joy. Many people come here to relax in the summer season. And when the farmer works on the paddy field, and he comes here to have lunch and make me happy.
This is a beautiful LP school in our village. There have lot of beautiful trees and a big fish farming. I was read in this LP school and I have lot of lovely memories that I will never forget.